Hello guys, this is Joythor. In this video I am going to share a tricks that how you can get a guest post doing nothing. Like you don't have to reach other bloggers or you don't have to contact with the website owner to provide some guest post. Okay, as you can check for this website it is showing approved and the price is mentioned here $15. This is the best way to earn money by accepting guest post. If you are a new user in my channel, do subscribe my channel to get more new updates about blogging, digital marketing and affiliate marketing. I am going to mention a website. You can go to the link from the description. If you just sign up in this website, they will ask you for some verification. There are some criteria which you have to fill to get the approval. Okay, so the first criteria which you have to maintain, that is your blog should be at least 6 months old. Okay, your website must have 100 unique and high quality articles. Okay, and the second criteria is your organic traffic for last 3 days should be 10,000. To verify it, they will ask you for the Google Analytics. Okay, and the last, your website must have a good design along with some necessary pages about us, privacy policy, contact us and disclaimer. Okay, they mentioned some niche they don't allow. Okay, so here are those niche which they don't allow. Okay, like any kind of micro niche blogs, any kind of downloadable content like APK, games, movies, music, gambling, casino, deals, coupon, exam result. Okay, I will give this link in the description. You can check from there. Okay, so how you can apply there? First of all, you have to visit the link from the description. So once you visit the link from the description, you will visit a web page like this. Okay, then you have to log in. You can create a new account or you can sign in with Google or even you can sign in with Facebook. Okay, so I am going to sign in with my Gmail. Once you are signed in, you will go to this dashboard. Okay, so from this dashboard you have to click on add new blog and then paste your website URL. So then it will ask you to verify your website that you are the owner of this website. Okay, so what it says, okay, you have to copy this meta tag and you have to paste it before the body section and within the head section. Okay, let me do this. I have to go to the appearance theme editor. So I have to go to header.php and then they mentioned that I have to paste it before the body section in the head section. Okay, so I have to paste it here and then I have to click on update files. Once it is done, it's showing that file edited successfully. Okay, then I have to go there and click on verify. Okay, so now I have to select the categories which I covered in my website. Like my website is totally depends on computers, not fashions. Okay, marketing, some marketings and lifestyle. You can choose only 3 categories and then you have to provide your contact number. Once you are done, you have to mention the price you are going to charge for each guest post. Like I am going to charge $15 and then submit. Okay, it's showing the pending. As I add this website earlier, so it is showing that Google Analytics is verified. So in your case here you will get verify your Google Analytics. Okay, you have to click on it, then they will give you a Gmail address. Okay, you have to go to your analytics. Okay, and then you have to go to this admin and then click on property user management. Okay, and then click on add user and paste here the email address you will get from this section. Okay, and once you are done, click on this add. So that's it. Once you are done, it will shows that Google Analytics verified, and within 2 and 3 hours it will shows that if they accept it, then it will shows here. As you can check, for this website it is showing approved and the price is mentioned here $15. That's it. So this is the best way to get a guest post without wasting your time. So that's it. Do subscribe my channel to get more new updates about blogging, digital marketing and affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching this video.